Okay, so you've been to the factory a couple of times, I think. Now.
Yes, now it's my second time to be here.
Right. Okay.
So
That's nice. So I wanted to show you around, and we're sitting now in our part of our showroom, which is a good little spot to relax.
yes, it's a very nice place, and I just noticed this awesome floor. Like, is it a hexagon? So what it's made from?
Okay, so where we are here, because it's in the showroom, it's just a little pretend, because this is what we've got here is like somebody's balcony, right? We've made a balcony here about 2 by 5, I guess it is. And here is the inside, over there is the inside of the house, the sofa, the glass doors. So if you can imagine yourself here now, and we're outside here on the balcony, and this deck is, we call it Hexidek because it's a hexagon, it's pretty obvious. So it's quite a different product because nobody else has this. This is, it's my patent because I designed this, and the reason I did it was because I wanted to use up all of the small wood in the factory. This wood is a very good durable wood. The jarrah and the cypress are both highly durable timbers. And seeing all the small stuff from a flooring factory and decking factory that we have going to waste was, it's frustrating to see all this stuff being used as boiler fuel, and which is just pollution. And I thought we must find a way to use it. There are other decking products where you can use small wood, but they tend to be just strips, short strips on plastic, and you can only arrange them either this way or in a crosshatch pattern. That's all you can do. But I thought that wasn't very interesting.
It was a little bit boring, maybe.
A bit boring, and also this one can use smaller pieces. I wanted to be able to use the smallest pieces that we could machine. And these are really, using the machinery we have, these are the smallest pieces we can machine. So starting from that, I really designed the product. I was just sitting on an aeroplane and I had like 12 hours to kill. So I was sort of just doodling and thinking, and thought, maybe this is an idea. And it's different, nobody else has got it, so I designed it, and I got the base made, and started producing this as I guess as a product for reusing and recycling wood, and also use partially recycled plastic. So we can say that this is not only is stopping the wood going to being burned as boiler fuel, it's actually becoming a really nice, beautiful product, and it can have a second life. And this can last for years and years and years on this one, because the wood is sitting on top of the polypropylene base. It doesn't deteriorate, so it really can last a very, very long time. So if you want to see how we do it, I can show you that we can make a small space if you wanted to see how we can put this together.
Of course, I want to know.
Do you like DIY?
Yes.
You do like DIY?
Yes, I'm a very huge fan of DIY, and I want to try to do it. This small piece of this kind of floor.
Really easy.
And also, I want to know more information about it.
Yep. Okay.
How to work with space, to this area, how to do it. So
yeah, because one thing people say is, but this is a hexagon. My deck is a rectangle. How do we do that?
This is the this point.
But you can see it's done, and it's not hard. It's really not hard. I can show you how to do that. We can make over there. We can make a little space, put some lines on the floor, and we'll lay some. How about that?
Can't wait to try it.
Right. Okay. Let's do that now.
Let's do that now.
I should let you finish your tea, yeah?
Yes.